It is Wednesday and Kelsey and I are gonna have a little sister day. We're gonna go to lunch. We haven't eaten at True Food Kitchen in quite a while and I'm craving a like salmon bowl or something. Yes, I'm craving like something fresh and healthy. So we're gonna go to True Food Kitchen and we're also gonna go see the Barbie movie today. I've been wanting to go see the Barbie movie since I saw the trailer like when it came out months ago. And the 90s babies and us were so excited when we saw that they were making a Barbie movie. So, because we grew up playing with Barbies, we would get one every year for Christmas. So, we're true Barbie lovers. So, I'm so excited. We could have been gone earlier, but I had like an outfit situation. I was going to wear this cute black dress with pink flowers on it. But for some reason, the seaming on like the boob part was off. And the bottom fit perfectly, but my boobs wouldn't fit into it properly, so I don't understand like why they made it like that. Like the lining was off, and I love that dress. I'm still gonna leave it in my closet. Maybe one day I'll get like a good seamstress to like resize it for me so it can fit properly, because I don't want to get rid of it because I love that dress. It's from Zara and it just felt like the perfect dress to wear to a Barbie movie, to see the Barbie movie, because of the pink flowers. And it was black, so it felt like me, you know, a black dress with pink flowers. But it is what it is. The second dress I tried on looked way too fancy. Kelsey told me I looked like I was going to like a summer wedding, so I couldn't wear that. So I just changed into this crop top from House of CB and my current favorite jeans from Zara. So that's what I'm wearing. These like bootcut jeans. I really love these. These have been my favorite jeans lately. Because I do like the baggier style jeans, but like I feel like these feel more like me. The baggy ones like are appropriate when I really don't want to wear jeans. But I prefer these that I'm wearing from Zara. But before we leave, I am going to show you guys my Warby Parker at home try on kit that I just got in today. So this video is sponsored by Warby Parker, so thanks so much to them for sponsoring today's video. Warby Parker offers everything you need for happier eyes: eyeglasses, sunglasses, contact lenses, and eye exams. Glasses start at $95, including prescription lenses, sunglasses, and progressives. Warby Parker's quiz and ordering an at-home try-on kit is super easy. You just answer a few quick questions online and Warby Parker will suggest some glasses to fit your face and style. Take the quiz today and find a pair that is perfect for you today. And all the glasses that I got today are all sunglasses. So this is a very special box because I only picked sunglasses this time. Because I know you guys forget sometimes that they do have sunglasses. And for me personally, I don't have a prescribed pair of sunglasses. And I really need a pair of prescribed sunglasses because I never wear sunglasses in the car. Sometimes I do, depending on where I'm going. Like if I'm comfortable, you know, wearing sunglasses without having to see too far away, because obviously I'm nearsighted. Sunglasses for me work sometimes if I'm very familiar with the drive. But I do need a pair of sunnies that are prescribed, so I'm going to show you guys all the ones that I chose. So I'm going to try on 3 pairs for you guys so you can get like a general idea of what they have. So these first ones are probably going to be my favorite. These are their aviators. These are called Raider, and I absolutely love these. These are like my go-to style of sunglasses because I have aviators in the car right now that I love. So these are super cute. And they have like a really nice gold trim. These are like the perfect aviators. You can get different sizes depending on your face shape. These ones are called the A, but they have like a blue kind of tint to them and they have a silver trim, and then the actual lenses are slightly different. They're not quite round. This is what these look like. These are cute. And then these are called the Harris. I love the tortoise, obviously, design because I'm obsessed with tortoise. These are giving Saint Tropez vacation vibes. I think I really love these. These are super cute. So if you guys are into the style of glasses, I love these. They're a little bit more, you know, dressier, chic, South of France kind of vibes, you know. These are called the Haskells. These are like a darker tortoise and they're like a rounder look around the bottom. These are more like cat eye. These are really cute too if you guys are into like the cat eye shape. Really cute. And then last but not least, these were the only ones I was a little skeptical about because these aren't really my taste, but just in case you guys were curious, these are called the Merrick. The Merricks are round, very round. And they are the same like colors as the first pair I showed. So they have like a green tint to the lenses and then the trim is gold, which I do like. But the lenses are obviously different. So these are giving same color vibes, just different lens shapes. So if you guys are looking for some cute sunglasses that you can get your prescription in, I highly recommend Warby Parker's free at-home try-on program. So you can just order 5 pairs of glasses to try at home for free for 5 days. There's no obligation to buy, ships free, and the box includes a prepaid return shipping label. So try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/glamtwintv. Again, don't forget to try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/glamtwintv. Okay guys, so I'm finally ready. Well, actually, I've been ready. I was ready at the same time Kendra was, but she had her dress debacle. This is the only thing pink I have in my closet. So I was literally like Katie from Mean Girls. I was like, I have nothing pink in my closet. So this is the only thing that I have because I wanted to wear something pink for the Barbie movie. And I'm just gonna wear my pink Lavoot bag, like a baby pink. So that's cute. And then I just have on these cute like genie pants. From Zara. These are Kendra's. They're so comfortable. And I just realized they had pockets. So that's convenient. Super cute lunch date outfit. This top I've had for like 2 years now. It's like a cute like halter. It has like a cute crisscross in the back too. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's like a crochet top. So super cute. So soft too. Like this fabric is super soft. Hey guys, so we're at True Food Kitchen. It took us forever to find a parking spot. It was this lady that stole Kendra's parking spot. So Kendra ended up getting a way better parking spot, even though it was still kind of rude. But Kendra was super positive and optimistic, and we ended up finding a better spot. I've been trying to stay more calm lately. You're doing a good job at staying calm. And not like react so much when people like do something rude or stupid. To piss you off, yeah. Yeah, I'm realizing that's not as productive. It's not. Even if that's how I'm feeling. I let myself feel whatever I want to feel in the moment. You do. Yeah. But we ended up finding a closer spot anyway, so. Yeah, that's where we were walking to? Yeah. Because that was closer to like the shops and stuff, like the stores. Yeah, but yeah, we're sitting outside. It's 91 degrees, but it doesn't feel as hot because the sun isn't beaming. So, and it's a breeze. So we just wanted to get some fresh air today, so that's why we're sitting outside. We've already ordered. I got one of my faves. I got the quinoa bowl with steak, because you can add like whatever protein you want to it, and I got steak with mine. And what's the name of yours? The Ancient Greens Bowl? Ancient Greens Bowl. With salmon. Sounds good. I'm gonna try a little bit. She was like, do you want any starters? Watermelon salad or hummus? I'm like, no hummus. No thank you. I'm allergic to chickpeas. Like the word hummus no more. No. Honestly, when I see chickpeas, ugh, gosh. I know. Never again. At least I know now though. I do need to go get an allergen test done. I don't want one. Yeah. It's important to know like what you're allergic to, but I have no shame for vlogging today. Like people keep walking by looking at me, but I really don't care. Okay guys, so we're leaving the movie. I thought it was really good. Enjoyed it. I thought America Ferrera's character was like what the movie needed. If she wasn't in it, I thought it would have been a little bit flat. No, she was very necessary. She was very necessary for the movie. Yeah. I wanted to see more of Issa's character, President Barbie. I did too. I thought she was going to be a more prominent character, but she wasn't. I did like Margot's performance though. Like well, we knew Margot was going to do her thing though. Obviously. Margot Robbie, she's an excellent actress. That's true. But I like the evolution of her character from the beginning to the end. Yeah. Because it almost felt like she was playing 2 different people. She was. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be a good movie, but I didn't know it was gonna have that much depth. The only thing I didn't like about it, what? I thought the Ken musical number was way too long. It was way too long. I was like, is this a musical or a regular movie? Because I was hoping it wasn't a musical, and as the movie was going, I was like, oh, thank God it's not a musical. Yeah, but at one point it was too many songs. Like I got the point of one of the scenes with the song. Yeah, but it like towards the mid-end. Yeah, there was way too many songs. I agree. But yeah, we don't want to tell too much of the movie because just in case you want to go see it. So. I love the clothes. Yeah, the clothes were super cute. I thought the costuming was great, but I knew the costuming would be great. I'm sure whoever styled it had like so much fun doing it. But yeah, we're on our way home now. They were very low staffed today at Cine Bistro. Yeah, they were out of toilet paper. Yeah, in the bathroom, every stall. I had to give Kelsey a paper towel. Yeah, the lady next to me was like, are you kidding me? And then we were gonna get Chardonnay, but they didn't have, the only wine they had was Moscato. And we haven't drank Moscato since we were like 24. maybe before that, like 23.
I forgot how sweet it was.
So sweet.
It was really good. The one we had, it starts with the B. It's in like a blue bottle.
Yeah, that was good.
It was really good if you like sweet wine.
It has bubbles.
Yeah.
Like if you like, you know, Riesling type wine.
Right, yeah. But, yeah, it was a little too sweet for me.
I'm still a Chardonnay girl.
Yeah, I like Chardonnay. Well, now I'm a Sauvignon Blanc girl.
Yeah.
When we're talking whites, because y'all know we only drink reds over here.
Yes.
Cabs over here. But yeah, we're on our way home. I'm just ready to take this makeup off and shower.
Me too.
So yeah, definitely recommend the Barbie movie. I would give it 4 stars, me personally.
Because of the music numbers, right?
Yeah, I could have did without all that.
Me too. Same. I agree.
Yeah.